Chapter 14 Wonders of Nature. Nature has many wonders which are formed naturally. Let us learn a few of them. The Puerto Princesa, Philippines. It is an underground river located 50 km north of Puerto Princesa on the island of Palawan in the Philippines. The entrance to the subterranean river is a short hike from the town of Sabang. The Puerto Princesa underground river claims to be the world's longest underground river at 8.2 km, and a lagoon marks the entrance of the cave. Table Mountain, South Africa. It is a flat-topped mountain forming a prominent landmark overlooking the city of Cape Town in South Africa. The mountain has withstood 6 million years of erosion and hosts the richest yet smallest floral kingdom on the earth with over 1,470 floral species. It's a popular tourist attraction in South Africa with people hiking to the mountain top. Jeju Island, South Korea. It is a volcanic island that lies 230 km from the southern coast of South Korea. The largest volcano is Halasan, and there are 360 other smaller volcanoes found nearby on the island. Jeju Island is the only special autonomous province of South Korea, and it's a popular tourist location for locals and tourists alike. The Amazon rainforest. It is the world's largest rainforest and is one of the world's most diverse biological areas. It's huge, covering 40% of South America, including Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Halong Bay, Vietnam. It is a popular backpacker destination that features thousands of limestone casts and isles in various shapes and sizes, many of which are filled with caves. In the bay are several floating villages where local fishermen live. The Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. They are made up of 275 cascades. The Iguazu Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls, and it is more than 2,700 meters long. Access to the falls is usually done through one of the three cities in the so-called tri-border between Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. Komodo, Indonesia. It is one of the 17,508 islands that make up Indonesia. It was made a national park in 1980 to protect the Komodo dragon, an endangered species. It's also famous for its pink beaches, one of only a few in the world. Due to its location to Bali, it's one of the more visited islands in Indonesia.